How to buy your favorite snacks from Solution Hub Technologies vending machine. We can buy from the touch panel. We can also buy from our smartphone if we want. First of all, pick your favorite snacks, then go to the checkout button. You have two options. Select SSL Commerce, then click at Pay Now button. We have so many options. We can pay with Visa or MasterCard. We can also pay with all mobile banking method. For smartphone, first of all, scan our QR code. Then select your snacks. Then click at Pay Now button. And choose any payment method you want. Here we go.